Our mission? To create the perfect stuffed pickled hamburger cheese dog. And finally answer the eternal enigma. Will it fry?
The brain sluice, slick with ectoplasmic juice.
Ecstatic energy, a fire that fuels our memory.
What genealogy with spiritual topography?
Questions for your answers. We are data necromancers.
We are preparing the batter. Here we have self-rising flour. We want to get the self-rising flour because they live in the inside of the flour. Is it a secret egg inside the milk? Oh, there it is. See it coming to fruition? You may enter it into your flour. We are going to take some of this ground flesh meat and we are using ground chuck. Sacred adjustments. These, we have the salt which is of kosher variety. LFGGP. This will give a flavor, really nice. Whitney has Spice Islands OP, which I'm really into. Because it comes from Parsippany, New Jersey. Lightly crumble it.
It's a fucking shredded American. It's a fucking shredded American. What? It's a fucking shredded American.
Take your pickle, dry it off well. You could dust this in flour so it sticks better, but I don't want to make it gummy. I don't know what would happen if... I guess we've got plenty of pickle and plenty of mise en place. And Alright, so where are you gonna put them after you dip them? Into the fryer? Oh, Lord! Oh! Goodbye! Oh!
I want to cook the meat.
Yeah. It looks like it's about to become conscious. Goodbye. But it's hot. Is it hot as fuck? It tastes really good. It's super juicy. Where have these hands been? See that fucking orb? You saw an orb? I envisioned like a really flat... Ooh, we need Old Bay. Shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Hold up.
Oh shit.
I think it's right there.
Okay, good.
Alright, here. Let me get it for you.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Now remember that mix does have salt in it, so you don't
Bitch,
need
I know.
It does.
Come on, you little bitch.
Slide it on there now.
You guys gotta pay extra to see this. Ooh. Pickle burger dog cam. Ew. Oh, brother.
You gotta batter it.
Oh, shit.
Fry it. No, that looks great.
Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, get me out. It's so hot. You know, they say jam it in.
Right, D? Ready, Mo?
Oh, shit! Oh, no! Really greasy. Whoa.
I
guess that's what's gonna happen if you deep fry beef.
Yeah, it's 80-20, so it's nice and juicy.
All right.
Ooh! Pank.
Shit. What if we just put it on the flat top?
Just cook it.
Will it fry?
I feel like it's gonna fuse.
Fuse with the paper?
Yeah. You don't think so?
I have no idea what it's gonna do. I mean, I guess this episode is about fucking around and finding out.
That's right.
Final one. So the other two were... Meat has a hard time getting cooked all the way, so we cooked the meat first. And now... Oh, shit.
Now we have the conundrum of the meat not wanting to be one.
This will never see the light of day.
I can't even get the thing like down into the drink. I wish I was dead.
Chic, Siberian
Mama, I need this open. And
thunder
these open.
fries. You get one piece.
But I want 2 pieces. And 5 pieces.
You can have one, and then when you're done with that one, you can have another one. Okay.
Take it right off the stick.
I made a big bow so we could find it. Oh, there we go.
You got melted cheese.
We got the cheese, we got the cooked beef. I cannot risk the raw beef at the moment. Okay, this looks sick. It also, the dough and this feels like the best.
Hell
iteration.
yeah.
There's something about hot pickles, man.
You love it?
Yes.
Again.
Hi!
Can you see my trampoline?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, the old bayonet is also choice.
Dude, that's pretty good.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
That's delicious.
That's delicious. Questions for yourself.